Hello and welcome to Taburetum channel. I've accidentally upgraded my 3D printer using a copper brush. What actually happened was I was cleaning my hotend block. As you can see here, the thing may get really dirty and there is no way to really clean it when it's cold. You need to have it hot. So I just kept it turned on, kept it warm and started scrubbing with the brush. And the problem is that in my setup, as you can see on the printer, there are exposed wires of the heater. So if you now bring your brush here and instead of just stay below, accidentally move up, you'll just short the thing. And that's what I did. I've just seen a nice spark. And actually I fried the motherboard of the printer. Creality didn't do a great job preventing that, so there's no fuse on the motherboard. When you turn it on afterwards, just the CPU gets super hot immediately and it doesn't work. So what I did, I ordered the replacement, and I thought that if I have the whole struggle to disassemble everything, disconnect and reconnect, I will do an upgrade. So I bought an SKR Mini E3 V3 motherboard. And the only tricky part is that you need to change the way that fan is connected, because in the original motherboard from Creality, the main fan is just wires in a screw block. And on this motherboard SKR, it's a socket, right? So you need to install the plug. You need these pilers to do that, and it's a not super easy thing to do, but in my opinion it's worth it. So what's the advantage of SKR Mini? First and foremost, it's quieter than even the top line Creality motherboard, because it is using TMC drivers. The second thing is that you can actually regulate the current of the drivers of the stepper motors programmatically. So you just change the settings in your printer config if you're using Clipper. There is more reliable power management, so probably I will not try it. But next time I will short something, I hope the fuse will die on the board, not something more serious. And last but not least, which is an upgrade for me, it is not powered via USB. So if you're using Clipper and you turn off the printer, it is turned off and it's not powered via USB, and you don't need to do a custom USB cable to prevent it from being constant on. And yes, SKR motherboard is 32 bits, which is totally useless as long as you're using Clipper, because the motherboard acts only as a very simple controller for your steppers. So the biggest lesson learned here is that you should find a better way to clean your heating block. I see the best option to be heat it up, then turn off the whole thing, and then clean it. Because it is not possible to really clean it when it is cold. You would need to scrub it with some abrasive tools, which is not the good idea. But if you heat it to, let's say, 250 Celsius, turn off, and then use the brush, then everything should be fine. So thanks a lot and happy printing. Share your thoughts, subscribe and comment. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.